guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Grace, and in today's video, we are going to be making a fidget keyboard. And we have a guest. Well, not a guest, but she is one of the YouTubers with me. And her name is Lily. Lily, say hi.
Hi.
So we are both really excited to do this. So let's get into the video. Alright, that kind of rhymed. It did, actually. Alright, first things first. Let's see, what are we gonna do? Okay, sorry. I have to tell you the things that we're gonna need. Some things around your house, which I'll say. Then you can just pause the video, go get them. You will need some pens. You will need some scissors, crayons and markers, and some tape. And if you want to, you can have a glue stick and paper. And of course, the most important thing, your cardboard cutout. I will tell you if we need something else. You can just pause the video and do it. So yeah. So first, what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna take some of this nail polish. I got this from Disney. You might be thinking, what are we doing with nail polish? But we are actually going to paint something with the nail polish. So I have this stuff from Disney. But what we're gonna do is we're going to take some paper. And then we are going to cut out like a square. Have you done that, Lily?
Big or little?
I'm cutting mine this size. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it and then tape it. No, not tape it, sorry. But we're going to fold it like a little, almost like a toilet paper roll. Just going to fold it like this. So that's like a circle. Then we're going to flatten it out and so that it looks like this. But it needs to be straight, unlike I did. Alright, there. Alright, now I'm going to do this again. Alright. Sorry, guys. Lily, can you talk to them while I'm doing this?
Sure, I can.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Alright, Lily, you can stop talking to them. I don't need you anymore. Lily looks at me like this. Okay.
Perfect.
Alright, now, since it's uneven, I'm just cutting it. That looks very even. And then, I'm going to take some tape. About this much, or however big your thing is. And then I'm going to put it in the middle and I'm going to tape it like this. If you want to, guys, this is what I'm doing. So I'm just going back and I'm going to cut both sides just so that it's straight. Well, not the first side, but then what you're going to do is you're going to close up this top part. Close up the top part. Guys, I promise you this is going to be a good craft. Lily, I think, knows what we're doing. Do you? Okay. Now,
I really don't, but
Lily, talk to him for just a second while I get something, I'll tell you what it is in a
If
second.
you're watching this video, comment down below.
Just comment an emoji.
Comment down below a dog emoji and a heart emoji. And say hi.
Okay, sorry, that's really awkward, Lily.
It was.
Okay,
Do I tape this on?
now I just gotta
Do I tape it on here?
Huh?
Do I tape this thing on here?
Not yet.
Okay.
Alright, then you're gonna take some stuffing. I took some, like fluff stuffing. Just stuffing.
Squishmallow stuffing.
Yeah, she's taking some squishmallow stuffing. Taking this stuffing, and you're
I'm
just
a
gonna...
very bad mom with stuffing whilst murdering them.
Alright, guys.
Wait, what? I don't even know what you did.
I just put the stuffing in there.
Wait, did you tape it? Like, did you tape the sides?
Yeah, I taped the sides. Alright. Then, guys, what you're going to do now is you're going to tape the top of it so that it's closed. Right? So the bottom and the top should be closed. And it should be squishy. Alright. Now, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to... we're not taping on yet. You can if you want to, but I wouldn't. So, now, what I'm going to do is... What should I draw in there, Lily?
Whatever you want.
I'm going to draw...
I think I am going to draw, POV is just looking around our room.
I know, they're just like looking around our room. I'm going to draw a flower.
I'm going to draw...
Actually, no, I'm just drawing a heart and like some stars and stuff.
I think I'll draw a pig.
Pig. I want to draw a pig. I'm going to draw a hamster.
Pig. And y'all can draw whatever y'all want.
Yeah, y'all can. Y'all don't have to copy us. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. I'm going to draw a flower. No, I messed up.
Look
I
at
messed
this.
up. Now let's just erase it. That's really good.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought you were showing it to me like it was so good. I think it's good, though. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all can't see Lily.
Sad times.
Alright, guys. Sorry. Alright. Okay, my flower's a little bit bad, guys. It's really bad. Look at it, Mimi.
I'm just gonna draw a flower too.
Guys, for some reason I said Mimi. So I call my grandma Mimi.
It gets me confused.
I don't know why, but I'm going to draw a little stem. And then I'm going to draw a little round. That's my flower, guys. Now we're going to color it. And then we are actually going to do a part 2. Because we don't have enough time. But we're going to have different parts that we will, show y'all. Now we're going to really quick color it. I'm going to take the colors light blue, dark blue, magenta, and we'll take a violet pink. Those are my colors. Actually, you know, we'll throw out the light blue. All right, we're gonna have them, or not magenta, violet pink as the flowers. We're actually going to do a little pattern. Violet pink, magenta, violet pink, magenta. Or violet red, right? Let me look. I'll look in a second, guys. Violet red. Then magenta. And then I'm gonna put my dark blue in the middle. And guys, y'all can pause and color it however you want. Y'all don't have to do a flower or anything. I just turn on my light. This is the flower. Oh, I forgot to color that. Color is that? I think it is magenta. Yeah, it's magenta. It's actually purple, guys. Sorry. Do you like it?
Yes.
All right. Oh, no. My crayon broke. It's okay, though. It's okay. Then I'm going to do dark green for the leaves. And then dark green for the, ground. Like I said, guys, there will be a part 2, but it's okay because there's a part 2. So we're doing the same thing. It's just because we don't have enough time. If you guys want to know why on the grass it's like this at the bottom, right here, if y'all can even tell, is because there's tape there. So, yes, there's tape there. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is a nail polish, guys. I actually didn't know what I would use it for. I'm going to take a little bit of it, and I'm just going to kind of paint the little bit on, since it's sparkly, I'm going to make like the grass sparkly. That's all. Alright guys, I'm going to really quick wipe that off. I don't know why I'm literally wiping it off as soon as I put it on. But, let me talk to them, Lily.
Yeah. I told him a fast story.
Yep, you told them a story.
Guys, don't snitch in the comments what I said.
Yeah, no guys, comment down below what she said.
Wait, will you step away for one more second?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, guys. Y'all ready? 3. This is what I have to tell y'all really bad. 3, 2, 1. 6, 7! Okay, I'm good. Got it all out.
Okay. Pretty sure I could hear you saying 6, 7, but maybe not.
6, 7, guys. Just
Okay,
comment.
well, now guys, we are going to tape this on our board, and it's going to look like this. So, I hope you guys liked today's video, and we're going to be filming a part 2 really soon, Okay? So, I'll see you in part 2. So, bye!